friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn basic geometrical concepts with some activities, tricks and lots of musti. So let's begin. Do you know geometric is used in every design or artwork that we make? जब कोई competitions होता था तो बोलते थे ना कि चलो ड्राइंग बना, तो हम कैसे बनाते थे? पहले सन बनाते थे, फिर माउंटेन्स बनाते थे, फिर नदियाँ बनाते थे. तो ये सब किससे बनता है? शेप से तो बनते हैं ना. जैसे कि देखिए, तो ऐसे पहाड़, फिर इधर सूरज बनाएंगे ऐसे, हाफ सर्कल में भी बना सकते हैं, कोई ऐसे इधर भी बनाता है सूरज. तो ये सारा देखो, ये स्लांट लाइंस है, ये सर्कल है, ये स्ट्रेट लाइंस है, और इधर ऐसी नदी बनाते हैं हम, ये पैरेलल लाइंस है, और इधर बोर्ड बनाते हैं. ये सब लाइन से बनाए जाते हैं, और ये दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक. सो बेसिकली ज्योमेट्रिक डील्स विथ साइज, shapes, position, angles and dimension of things. So be with me till the end of the video because I am going to do some interesting activities to make geometric more easy and fun. Let's begin. So first of all we are going to understand about point, ray, line, plane, line segment, intersecting line and parallel lines. So now we'll understand what is point in geometric. So in geometric, a point is a location represented by a dot. I will show you in a plain paper. So I have taken a piece of paper and now I am going to mark 4 points. First point, second point, third point and fourth point. And now I'm going to name it as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So we are going to call it as point A, point B. Where is position A? It is at the top. Where is position B? It is just on the right side of position A. So these dots we called it a point. Point does not have any length, width, shape or size. It just only have a position. Now we'll see what is line in geometric. आइए देखते हैं लाइन क्या होता है geometric में. So in geometric, line does not have any fixed length. So now I've taken a piece of paper and I've folded it into half horizontally. And now I'm going to open it, and here one line has come, and now I'm going to trace a line over it. So now I'm going to make 2 points over here and name it as A and B, and 2 arrows over here. The arrow at the ends of the line means that the line extends from both sides. So the symbol of a line is AB and bar with arrows on both sides, and we can also write it as BA and a bar with arrows on both sides. And we can read it as line AB or BA. So now we'll see types of lines. So first type of line is straight line. So you can see this is a straight line. And now we'll see vertical line and a horizontal line and a curved line a slant line. So these are all the types of lines. So now we see what is line in geometric. आओ चलो देखते हैं अभी रे क्या होता है geometric में. So a ray is a line that can be extend from only one side. तो हम जैसे देखते हैं लाइन में दोनों साइड से वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है, पर इधर रे में वो एक ही साइड से एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. Hence it has one end point. The first letter of a ray is the end point from which it starts. तो मैं आपको एक पेपर में एक उदाहरण देती हूँ रे का. तो now I've taken again a piece of paper. शायद लगता है हमको बहुत सारे piece of paper लगेंगे. तो इधर मैंने एक लाइन बनाई है. So now make a line over here, and now I'm going to make only one side, one arrow, and give it name as YZ and Z. And the symbol of this will be so in Ray generally the end point is the starting point only, like YZ. So Y is the end point and also the starting point too. तो इधर मैंने एक लाइन बनाई है, इसको एक ही साइड एरो दिया है, और जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है ना रे का, वो ही एंड पॉइंट होता है. जैसे y इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दिस रे, सो इट विल ऑल्सो बी द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस रे. सो the ray will be written as YZ and a bar with one-sided arrow, and it will be written as ray Y Z. We can read it as ray Y Z. तो मैं आपको एक उदाहरण दिखाती हूँ रे का. तो हम इधर एक सन बनाएंगे, जैसे हम सीनरी में सन बनाते हैं ना, और हम उसके लाइंस बनाते हैं ऐसे 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 ऐसे. The starting point and the end point is itself a sun. The sun rays can be extended continuously in one direction, and is same with the torch too. The torch, when we on its light, it extends very long in one direction only. But so these are the good example of ray. So now we have covered the ray, what is a ray in geometric, and now we'll move to line segments. A line segment is a part of line and has a fixed length. It has two endpoints at the beginning and at the end. And now I will explain it in a very easy example. तो मैं आ गई हूँ अपने एक और पीस ऑफ पेपर के साथ. तो इधर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड करूँगी ऐसे. So I fold this piece of paper into half, and now open it, and now I'm going to trace this line. Like this. And now I'm going to write A and B, and this will become a line segment. A and B. This is the starting point and this is the end point, and we can read it as line segment AB. We can measure it with the help of scale, and the symbol of line segment is B and a bar. Till now we have finished point, line, ray, line segments, and now we are moving to plane. So what is plane in geometric? Any flat surface gives an idea of a plane. Plane does not have any boundaries. It extends endlessly in all directions. So an example of plane is an table. It has a flat surface and it can extend from all the sides. So now we have covered all point, line segments, ray and plane. And now we are moving to intersecting lines and parallel lines. Let's see. Intersecting lines are those lines which meet at a common point. Let's see with an example. We'll do a small activity with again a piece of paper. This is my piece of paper, and now I'm going to fold it horizontal and now I'm going to open this. So we got like this 4 squares. So now I'm going to make a line over here. Like this, and I'm using a different color to make a line, other line. Like this. I'm going to give name to both the lines, like line AB and line CD. Now line AB and CD meet at a point. So I'm going to give this point name O. Line CD and AB are intersecting lines which meets at point O. So now we'll understand what is parallel lines. With the help of this activity which we have done for intersecting lines, it was so easy to understand what are intersecting lines. So now we'll understand what are parallel lines in the same way. I have taken one more piece of paper and now I'm going to fold it 2 times. First I have folded it like this, and now I'll open it, and now I'll fold it like this. तो मैंने इसको 3 बार फोल्ड किया, एक बार बीच में, एक बार साइड, दोनों साइड पर, और अभी मैं इनको ट्रेस कर दूंगी तीनों लाइंस को. Now I'm going to name it A and B, C and D, E and F. So AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, AB is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to AB. Parallel lines lie on the same plane. They never intersect or meet at any point and are always keep fixed minimum distance. So with the help of an activity, we understand what are parallel lines. Now I'll show you one more nice example of a parallel line. So you can see this piece of paper, it is in rectangle. So these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. So in rectangle, opposite sides are parallel to each other. So today we learn basic geometrical concepts in very easy way and fun. Today we cover up with line segments, ray, point, planes, intersecting lines and parallel lines. So in our next basic geometrical video, we are going to learn about polygons and I will post it very soon. So मिलते हैं next video में. Bye. So bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye. Toodles. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you later guys. Bye. बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल कंसेप्ट्स और हम खाएंगे कच्चा मैंगो बाइट भी.